YouTube watch time, 5 ways to reach 4,000 hours and monetize your channel. 1. Make evergreen content. Getting discovered on YouTube can be quite difficult. But you can make it easier by uploading videos that are likely to appear in YouTube search results. Relevant year-round. This is what's called evergreen content. Creators love these videos because 2. Host YouTube live streams. When we hosted our first few live streams, 50 to 100 people showed up. Now we get hundreds of concurrent viewers, and with that boost in viewership comes plenty of additional watch time. 3. Upload videos consistently. Viral videos are a wonderful thing, they give your channel a boost while attracting new viewers to your content. But you shouldn't go into the video making process intending to make a viral video. Few creators pull it off. 4. Go for quantity over quality. Increasing your watch time on YouTube is a numbers game. If you need 4,000 hours to get monetized, and your videos earn 1 hour on average, you would need 4,000 videos total. 5. Listen to your YouTube audience. The YouTube Studio has a wealth of analytics to explore, but some of the best growth advice will come from your subscribers. After all, they are your customers. Most of them know what they want to see, and they will tell you exactly what those videos are. Check the comment section of your next video to see what I mean. Highly engaged viewers will share video ideas and practically beg you to film those concepts. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe our channel.